I kind of figured it was a little bit too soon. Mark's going to do an interview over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just in case you care.
Oh, yeah, just in case.
Give me a paper hold. Hold that mic right in the middle of your chest. Just go hold it right there. Your reaction to the results?
Well, we're very pleased so far. Washington County is pleased with the city. I believe about 6,200 votes in. We don't know how they're out there still. But we're very pleased with the response we got.
If this were to go through, if this continues and this were to go through, how would you feel?
Well, with the successful vote tonight, the next step is to start our academic process. And we're very pleased. We win this evening. We're very pleased and humbled that the Washington County voters did hear our message. And we will not let Washington County voters down.
The statement released from Pam Bondi saying that there has to be a constitutional amendment. Now that it goes through, what is your reaction to that?
Well, with the successful vote this evening, like I said, our next step will be the process, the application process. And if denied, then we'll let Washington County voters vote for the and stay with our elections
Okay. Any final thoughts, final words? Excited?
This is probably the record
As the folks here at Ebro Greyhound Park are thrilled by tonight's victory. They say they're celebrating the beginning of the new chapter of prosperity and growth.